Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a PayPal account. To begin, navigate to the official PayPal website or download the mobile application from your device's app store. You will then need to select whether you want a personal or business account, depending on how you plan to use it. Next, enter your phone number to start the registration process, which is a crucial first step for setting up your secure account. After providing your phone number, you will be prompted to enter your full legal name and a valid email address. It is essential to create a strong, unique password to protect your account. Before moving forward, carefully review and agree to PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy. Finally, check your email inbox for a verification link and click it to confirm your email address, securing your account. With your account set up, the next step is to link a payment method. You can connect either a bank account or a debit or credit card. If linking a bank account, PayPal typically sends two small deposits, usually less than $1 each, which you will need to confirm to verify ownership. This process ensures your financial information is secure, and you can link multiple methods for convenience. Congratulations, your PayPal account is now ready to use. You can effortlessly send and receive money to friends, family, or businesses using just an email address or phone number. Enjoy shopping online at millions of retailers globally, knowing your transactions are protected. Additionally, explore other features such as creating invoices for clients or making secure charitable donations, expanding your financial capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.